Today in this video I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Use a Type-C cable to connect your Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus to the computer. Press and hold down the volume down and power buttons simultaneously. Release the volume down button when the screen turns off. Then continue holding the power button while pressing and holding the volume up button until the Samsung logo appears. Once the Samsung logo appears, release all buttons. The recovery mode menu will then appear after a short delay. Use the volume rocker to navigate to the wipe data or factory reset option in the recovery mode menu. Press the power key to select this option. In the subsequent menu, choose the factory data reset option to confirm the reset process. After confirming the factory reset, the reset process will begin automatically. Once the reset process is completed, select the Reboot System Now option using the power key to restart the device. After the device reboots, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as if it were brand new. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.